Hi, I'm Sasy Scarborough of SasyScarborough.com. Today I want to talk to you a little bit more about bakes on mesh, specifically makeup layers. I went and visited a favourite for makeup, which was Alaska Metropolitan or AlaskaMetro, and I bought up everything in sight that I didn't already have with System Bake on Mesh layers. She's been creating all her newer stuff with either Amiga appliers or Bakes on Mesh system layers. So anything in the newness section that you haven't hit up, that's one place to start. All the demos of Alaska Metro makeup is a wearable, meaning it doesn't have demo written all over it and you can wear it out of the store at no charge. Giving you a taste for her makeup, but if you can actually try something on and manage to walk away from it, well, I'd be shocked. Okay, so I bought a lot, and at the inexpensive price of Alaska Metro's items, I barely made a dent, but I made a huge one in my inventory. So I suggest going over there, trying it all on. The difference with Bakes on Mesh, as you know, is its system layers, and you have up to 62 of them, which makes life much easier. There's no alpha glitching, no limits on how you wear the layers in regards to how you stack them. This means for somebody like me who is at the moment wearing 3 eyeshadows, 2 lipsticks and eyebrows, a very pleasurable experience. I did notice that in the last couple of years with appliers only, I tended not to wear makeup as much as I wanted to. I just found that if I applied a lipstick and I wasn't paying too much attention and I logged off or I come back in another day and then I wanted to do a blog post, then unless I had written it down somewhere or specifically remembered which makeup it was, which I can, it was failing me in the crediting part of it, and I always credit everything. So I just found that I just didn't wear it as much as I owned it. And I enjoyed it when I wasn't doing stuff like that, but it just kind of, oh my goodness, where is that eyeliner from? Oh, what was that hair base? Which one was that? That sort of thing. Whereas now with the System Bakes on Mesh layers, it's all there in my Worn tab. It can be copied to clipboard. If I crash, it's not going anywhere. I'm just finding it really easy, and because of that, I'm experimenting more. I'm not limited by layers. I don't have to worry about making sure if I want to wear eyebrows that are different from my skin that I have to take up a space, or the head I'm wearing at the moment is Bakes on Mesh only, so there are no layer allocations. But Bakes on Mesh, it's a no-brainer. You literally just wear everything. If you tend to worry about the layering order, well, that's a really cool thing too. The Firestorm viewer actually allows you to change the stacking of same wearables. Makeup, because everything will be tattoos, you wouldn't want to have to take everything off or lose your eyebrows or do this, do that. You can actually move the lipstick up. You can, if you're wearing something like blush and then you decided to wear a freckles layer, well, freckles go on first because they're part of your actual real skin, so you wouldn't have to go in and navigate all of that again. So you could just move it up and down in the hierarchy of your appearance tab and then save it out and everything goes back to the way you wanted it. It's a fantastic feature, makes things much easier. I really enjoyed getting all the things that I got at Alaska Metro. If you're not really sure about makeup, if makeup in Second Life is as intimidating for you as it may or may not be in real life, Alaska Metropolitan has lipstick options, eyeshadow options as separates, but she also does a lot of makeup palettes where the eyeshadow and lipstick and sometimes blush are actually inclusive, and they're on the same color trend. They work together. It doesn't matter if you wear lipstick 1 with eyeshadow 4, they're harmonious with each other. So again, if it's new to you and you just want to try it out, go in, buy some of the palettes play around with them. You can mix and match them across the board. It's just fun. For me, Bakes on Mesh is fun. We didn't have tattoo layers and alpha layers and everything for long enough before mesh came in and became a really big deal. So this is that chance to really see and push the boundaries of these layers and enjoy them as much as we can. So I've taken some pictures of eyeshadows I got, lipsticks that I got, and some of the palettes that I got that contain both. I would have been here for days if I did every single lipstick and eyeshadow option. I just did one from each set that I got. And it's just a great store. Inexpensive, as I said, a great starting off point. Play around with the demos, and I'm sure you'll enjoy it. I hope you like the post. And I'm Sasy Scarborough for SasyScarborough.com. Have a glorious week.